This is Blackview A52. Today we are going to review this phone. This phone comes in 3 colors and very pretty good price. Only $88. This phone RAM can be extend up to 3 GB. So the normal GB RAM comes 2 GB and 32 GB internal storage. And you can extend the storage as well. So the basic thing we should know about this phone is the display is very big, 6.5 inches, and HD plus IPS. And after that we have 5180 milliampere battery. I think that's enough for, I think, 2 days, I guess. And the camera is 5 megapixel front cam, and back camera it supports 30 megapixel. So let's see what color it comes. Actually you can see it's blue. So 3 colors come: black, blue and green. Actually I have green color, which I love it. The green color, it gives very decent look and very good grip actually. And after the phone we have the SIM injector tool and some documents. And after that we have the type C to type A cable and very decent charging adapter. Alright, so we put all things aside. After completed the setup, there are some applications I would like to share with you. The Play Store is installed in this. This phone is made for the international users, so Play Store is installed. So don't worry about it, does it work or not. So this is completely workable. And other applications are installed as well, such as YouTube, Gmail and other applications. When you swipe upside, there are more applications you can see. Very useful. So the screen size is 6.5. As I told you before, there are some bezels you can see right and left side, but the bottom there are much, I guess. Is this budget phone give us good quality in entertainment? I want to see what's the result in video quality. Let's see. So in the security setting, you can see there are two options for very good. The first thing is fingerprint sensor and second is face unlock. So fingerprint sensor is over here, not under the display, but it works good, I guess. The speed is a little bit slow, but it works. Face unlock detection. Okay, it's working, but it's working pretty slow. I have learned this phone comes with the Android version 12 and there is not written the processor name. It's just written 8 core and 2 GB RAM, and 3 GB RAM can be extendable, and 32 GB internal storage. I'm going to show you the setting of the camera. So the first thing comes is panorama and portrait. I have already took the pictures, I will share with you. So, and after that there's a pro. You can change the setting, and then capture video quality can be take like a 1080p, 30 fps, 720 and 480, but from the front it doesn't support the 180. It only support 720, 480 and they all record 30 fps, so it's good, I guess. And after that slow motion and then more. So I'm going to show you the picture and video quality. This video is recorded by Blackview A52 You can hear the quality of my voice from this phone. And now I'm trying to zoom in. So this is the last, and this is the ultra wide range. It doesn't have ultra wide, but looking nice. The colors are not bad. You can see good. This is Blackview A52. I'm recording a video from front camera, which is 5 megapixel. It is giving me an average quality, but still good because this phone only cost $80. With $80, this phone worth it, I guess. So you can see the result with the 5 megapixel. Because of its price and its features, if you like this smartphone, you can check the link in the description. It only cost $88 with the courier, of course. So if you like my video, please give me the big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for further videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.